Today, we're diving into the LEPA MaxBron 1000W power supply unit, a powerhouse designed to meet the demands of high-performance PC builds. Sporting an 80+ bronze certification, this PSU boasts over 88% efficiency, ensuring your system runs smoothly while keeping energy consumption in check. One standout feature is its hybrid modular cabling design, offering flexibility during system upgrades and replacements. Say goodbye to cluttered cables with this smart design choice. Plus, with the anti-3S Kubrick design, your power supply is shielded from shock, static electricity, and slips, ensuring longevity and reliability. Cooling is crucial, and the MaxBron doesn't disappoint. Equipped with a hydraulic bearing fan, it provides silent yet effective cooling, ensuring your components stay at optimal temperatures even during intense gaming sessions or heavy workloads. For gamers and content creators pushing the limits, the inclusion of a 6+2P PCIe connector means support for extreme graphics cards, unleashing the full potential of your rig. And with the extended CPU connector cable, installation becomes a breeze, especially for bottom-mounted PSU chassis setups. But perhaps the most impressive aspect is its powerful single plus 12V design, delivering maximum power and compatibility with the latest CPUs and high-end graphics cards. This means you can trust the MaxBron to handle whatever you throw at it, from demanding gaming titles to resource-intensive rendering tasks. In conclusion, the LEPA MaxBron 1000W power supply is a solid choice for enthusiasts seeking a reliable, efficient, and high-performance solution for their PC builds. With its impressive features and robust design, it's certainly a contender for the best PSU in its class. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.